Hello everyone! Welcome to my videos with Chani. What are the rose water benefits? Rose water is flavored water prepared by soaking rose petal in water. Rose water comes with great benefits when it comes to skincare. It is suitable for all skin types, including the most sensitive skin. Rose water has been a popular beauty ingredient since ancient times, and it often found in beauty products for its rejuvenating, soothing, and calming properties, and it's often used to impact glow to the skin. Here are some ways you can incorporate rose water in your beauty routine to give glowing skin. Rose water as a skin toner. We are often told to follow a cleansing, toning, and moisturizing skincare regimen in order to keep the skin healthy and radiant. Toning is usually ignored, but it is a significant step in skincare as toner removes oils, dirt, and debris from the skin that the cleanser has missed. Hence, toner aids and cleansing the skin thoroughly while maintaining its delicate pH balance. Pure rose water is gentle nature and helps in maintaining the skin pH balance. It also possesses astringent properties which help clean the pores of oil and grime. Toning the skin further helps clean the pores of oil. Regular use of rose water will keep the skin free of extra oil, help prevent problems like blackheads, whiteheads, acne, and pimples. Using rose water as a toner is better than using chemical-based toner, which might dry out the skin. Rose water has soothing properties and can be used as all-natural skin toner. Apply rose water on your face and allow it to settle in your pores. Your hair will feel fresh, and the lingering rose aroma will uplift your mood. Rose water to reduce under-eye puffiness. Under-eye puffiness can be caused due to many reasons like allergies, stress, eye fatigue, and lack of sleep. The puffiness swelling actually means that the person has accumulation of fluid under the eye area as the skin around the eyes tends to be quite thin. The swelling and discoloration is prominently visible. The easiest way to combat under-eye puffiness is giving it a cold compress or spray. Rose water helps to hydrate, revitalize, and moisture the skin, giving it a refreshing look. Also, it has an anti-inflammatory property which reduces redness in the skin. The gentle rose water can be used on the sensitive under eye and without any worry. Puppy eyes will immediately perks up and look rejuvenated with a spray of water. In your eyes are tired or puppy from lack of sleep, rose water offers a simple solution. Take a chill bottle of rose water, place the fridge for a while, soak cotton pads in it, and gently place on your eyelid. Keep on for as long as you're warm while enjoying feeling around your eyes. It will help reduce puffiness and giving relief to tired eyes instantly. Rose water as a natural makeup remover have permanently found a spot in our beauty bags, but often we choose to ignore that fact that many makeup removers contain alcohol and harsh chemical, which can dry out the skin excessively. Also, all makeup removers might not be suitable for sensitive skin. A natural and gentler alternative to makeup remover would be nice. The soothing properties of rose water make it a gentle makeup remover for all skin types. When mixed with a natural oil, it can dissolve most of the makeup without being harsh on the skin. The skin will feel fresh and hydrate later. and the sweet fragrance is it will help reduce puffiness and giving relief to tired eyes instantly. Rose water as a natural makeup remover have permanently found a spot in our beauty bags, but often we choose to ignore the fact that many makeup removers contain alcohol and harsh chemical, which can dry out the skin excessively. Also, all makeup removers might not be suitable for sensitive skin. A natural and gentler alternative to makeup remover would be nice. The soothing properties of rose water make it a gentle makeup remover for all skin type. When mixed with a natural oil, it can dissolve most of the makeup without being harsh on the skin. The skin will feel fresh and hydrate later, and the sweet fragrance is an added advantage. Rose water can help you get off that makeup in a gentle way. Mix 2 teaspoons of rose water with 1 teaspoon of coconut or almond oil to create an effective natural makeup remover that will dissolve the most stubborn makeup with great care. Dip a cotton swab in this conception and wipe the layer of makeup and grime. Both rose water and coconut oil are good for skin, and it is safe for removing eye makeup as well. Rose water as natural face mist and setting spray. Face mists are multitask. These help to cleanse, tone, and hydrate the skin along with restoring the skin pH balance. Apart from that, these come handy when you need to refresh up on the go. Face mists usually come fortified with extra of natural ingredients which are good for the skin. But in case you run out of the face mist, you need not to fret. Rose water can act as your personal face mist and makeup settle and save your sunbox. Keeping rose water handy in your bag can help you wipe on the sweat and dirt accumulate on the face while on the go. The best part is that it can be used in all seasons as it's gentle on the skin and even hydrating. A quick spray of rose water on the face or sweating skin will refresh it immediately and can be used as many times as required without worrying about the side effects or dryness in the skin. A spritz of water or rose water on your face after a long day can be quite refreshing. It can also be used to set makeup and give a dewy finish. Rose water hydrating the skin. It's our busy lives and routine. We might not find time to hydrate the parched skin. Dehydration and dryness can lead to a lot of skin problems like premature aging, redness, tingling, sensation, and even rashes. It best we keep the skin hydrated from inside as well as from outside. While drinking water is highly recommended, carrying a hydrating spray can be a savior for your skin, especially in hot and humid weather condition. One of the amazing benefits of rose water is that it can add a burst of moisture to the skin. The skin will feel cool, soft, and soothed instantly. You can use it directly or mix water in your face mask, cream, or lotion to add extra dose of moisturization to the skin. Rose water gives healthy glow to the skin and it's good for boosting hydration. Mix a small amount of rose water in your moisturizing cream and apply it on your face for a refreshing feels. That moisturizer will get easily absorbed in the skin, hydrating it from within. So guys, that's our topic. Hopefully you like it. So don't forget to click the red button below, subscribe, like, and share. And if you have comment, you just comment down below. And see you on my next video, guys. Thank you for watching. Love you all. Stay safe. God bless.